you're watching The Art of Science. Greetings, creative minds. Today, we are diving into the world of paper circuits, where imagination meets electricity, where art meets science. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the fascinating magic of using a humble pencil to complete a circuit. In this enchanting realm of paper circuits, we can bring drawings to life with the power of electricity. By simply drawing lines with a graphite pencil, which contains a form of carbon, we create a conductive path that allows the flow of electrons. This path completes the circuit and it brings the light to our creations, illuminating the possibilities of art and technology coming together. Did you know that they are called lead pencils, but they're actually not made of lead? They are made of graphite, which people long ago thought was a kind of lead. We hope you liked this video. Make sure you do this experiment at home, and if you have any doubts, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next week.